Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile Garena. First, understand that Garena is a regional publisher, so you'll need their specific version of the game. Make sure to download it directly from the official Garena platform or App Store. Also, confirm your mobile device meets the game's minimum system requirements for the best experience. This ensures smooth gameplay and avoids performance issues. Once installed, you'll need to create a Garena account or log in if you already have one. After that, dive into the game's tutorial. It's crucial for understanding the basic controls and game mechanics. Don't forget to spend some time customizing your control layout and sensitivity settings. Finding what feels comfortable for you will significantly improve your aim and overall performance in matches. Call of Duty Mobile Garena offers a variety of exciting game modes, including fast-paced multiplayer and strategic battle royale. Experiment with them to find your favorites. To progress quickly, complete your daily challenges and participate in seasonal events for valuable rewards. Remember to upgrade your weapons and unlock new characters to gain an edge over your opponents. To truly excel, practice advanced movement techniques such as sliding and jump shotting to outmaneuver enemies. Effective team communication is also key. Utilize voice chat or quick messages to coordinate strategies with your squad. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your gaming setup or just your everyday life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.